So getting right into it, my recommendation with working out is just like any other thing. If you're a complete beginner, or if you haven't even begun yet, it's very important to set the expectations low, to start off with some very small goals, because even this can transform you greatly, at least in your consistency aspect of it. So for example, I see a lot of beginners who want to go right into it and do some 2-hour workout, and they want to go 5 days a week, 7 days a week even, some crazy numbers like that. And you got to realize that in something like working out, it's not like a lot of other things where you have to put in hours and hours and hours every single day. If you're really working out, like no phone, no huge breaks in between, you could probably do a good one in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And that's like a good workout still. So if you're a complete beginner and you're like, yo, I don't even know how to stay consistent, I can do one day and that's really all I can do, my recommendation for you is tell yourself 1 minute. 1 minute is all you gotta do. And honestly, tell yourself that you could just do it in your house. Go into some room, say, this is gonna be my gym room, or matter of fact, you could go in any room whatsoever. Bro, you could go to the bathroom and then right after crank out some push-ups. If you can't do a push-up, do some modified push-ups. Like, bro, I got the wall right here. Like 20 minutes on its own is very good. You probably don't even need to go above that unless you're training as an athlete or you want to do some other kind of high fitness goal. And once you get up to that 10 minutes and 20 minutes, you'll probably start going to the gym by then. And it's the same thing, it's just on a different kind of scale. When you get there, you see all these machines, you see all these other people there. Start off with one machine. Start off with something fun, like start off with your favorite thing to do there. For me, I enjoy a lot of machines and a lot of weights associated with legs. And I know that kind of sounds crazy and stuff, but for me, athleticism is a big part of why I train, especially from the lower body point of view. But honestly, do whatever is fun for you. Start off with that, and then you're gonna kind of get some momentum, just like you had with the 1 minute to the 5 minutes to the 10 minutes. Go from machine to machine, and you're gonna have that momentum boost to continue throughout the rest of the workout. And if you have some sort of social fear, number one, understand that the gym community is very welcoming. It's kind of just like if you were to go to a hospital. Like, people aren't there like, oh, yo, this person's sick, why are they at the hospital? They're like, yo, this person is sick, and they're actually taking the steps to, you know, get better, to get healthy. And they see you, or they might not even see you, they might not even focus on you. They're just listening to their, you know, whatever kind of music, and they're just jamming out, having a good time, right? But if they do see you, they're probably just like, yo, this person, respect to them, applaud to them, right? This person is someone who's training to better themselves. That's as simple as it is. So stop overcomplicating it. Working out, it's more simple than you think. With that all being said, I hope this video has served you well, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Be well, be blessed. Peace.